Most people are terrified of public speaking, not because they don't know their topic, because they're afraid they won't explain it clearly when everyone is watching. Claude AI can help fix that. Whether it's a work presentation, sales pitch, wedding toast, meeting, or keynote, here's how to use Claude to prepare like you have a speaking coach. First, build your script. The hardest part isn't knowing what you want to say. It's turning those thoughts into something people actually want to listen to. Give Claude this. I'm giving a 10-minute talk to about create a script with a strong opening hook, 3 main points, and a memorable closing. Make it conversational like I'm speaking, not writing an essay. Now, you're not staring at a blank page. You've got a starting point. Add your stories. Change your wording. Make it yours. Claude isn't replacing your voice. It's helping you find it faster. Next, fix your first 30 seconds. That's where people decide if they're paying attention. Ask Claude. Create 5 different openings for this talk. Give me a surprising fact, a question, a bold statement, a short story, and a counterintuitive idea. Instead of hoping your intro works, you can compare 5 different approaches. Next, prepare for the questions nobody wants to get. This is where speakers get nervous. Ask Claude, I'm presenting this topic to this audience. Give me 20 questions they might ask, including the difficult ones, and help me answer them confidently. Now you've already handled the hard questions before anyone asks them. Another powerful trick, change your audience without rewriting everything. Maybe your presentation worked for employees, but now you need executives, or customers, or beginners. Tell Claude, rewrite these points for this audience. Change the examples, language, and level of detail for what matters to them. Same message, better connection. And finally, use Claude as your practice coach. Paste your speech and ask, review this presentation. Tell me what works, what's confusing, where people might lose interest, and how to make the ending stronger. That feedback can completely change your delivery. Claude AI won't stand on stage for you. Your experience, your personality, and your story still matter, but it can help you walk in clearer, calmer, and more prepared. And sometimes confidence comes from knowing you did the work before you walked into the room. Subscribe for more practical Claude AI workflows, and I'll see you tomorrow.